Things first, to appreciate your support. I'll show you how to remove a drive belt motor from a Samsung washing machine. Same procedure on a front load washer. All brands, same procedure. So first you turn it around so that you can access the back. So once you access the back, you need a toolbox. So you go for a star screwdriver, because what you're going to do is remove this panel. So it has 4 screws. Remove the 4 screws. Keep them safe. Then we pull this out. So this is the back of the machine. This is the pulley. We have the belt, and then this is the motor. So the motor runs the pulley. So when the motor is rotating, the belt moves around and it moves the pulley. So before we remove the motor, we have to remove the belt. Very easy. What you just need to do is this: grab the belt from here. Then as you rotate the pulley, you pull the belt out like that. Pull the belt out as the pulley moves, and that's how you remove the belt. Keep it safe because you need it back. So on a Samsung you need a number 10. So we'll remove this and this. Before that, we need to pull this out. This is the wiring harness. So you just pull that out like that. And then on this one we are going to use number 10. So we open this and this. So the other one. That. Sorry guys, it's quite dark here. There are two. Remember to keep them safe because you need them back. Once that is done, you grab your motor. So what you're going to do is pull it out. Some machines you get this spacing, it's quite tight, so you have to flip the machine over on one side. But this one there's no need. So we pull it out like that. Guys, you need gloves because this is quite sharp. So when you're pulling out the motor, you have to protect your hands at all times. Then we do this, pull it out. So this is the Samsung motor. That's how to remove it. Now we look at how to plug it, because I'm removing this one from this machine here. We need to plug it on this one. So that's the procedure of removing the motor. I'll show you how to fit the motor. So we said switch it around so that you can access the back. So same procedure. We remove the screws, remove this. This is the motor. So this and this fits here. Then if you check in there, this and these two, so they are all hooked in there. So what you're going to do is you turn it around this way, watch your fingers because this is very sharp. Then what you're going to do is, so we're going to fit the motor in there. It's quite heavy. We return all the screws. Another one here, the bolt I mean. There you go. Make sure it's tight so that this doesn't fall off. Yeah, we've had issues where motor fell off. There you go. That. So we plug the cable back. You see the space here. So when fitting it, ensure where there is space. Also ensure when plugging back the space here. So we plug this back. That. This is the wiring harness. Communication, text communication to the motherboard. Make sure it's tight. That's it. And then we'll return the belt. As you're going to do, you plug it here on the motor and then put it on the pulley like that. I'm using one hand, it's possible, so I'll show you. So plug it there that way and then this way up here. As you pull, as you push the pulley like that. Simple, like that. Let me repeat. Fitting the belt, this is the easiest thing you can do. Ensure it's plugged there. Fit it halfway on the pulley, you see? Fit it halfway on the pulley. Then hold it tight, hold the belt tight on the pulley as you rotate it. Simple. So we're done with that. Then now we plug back the panel. That way.